Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have a 2007 Lexus GS350 that we are doing the front brakes on. So you're going to need to remove the pin from the guide pin or slide pin. Then remove the slide pin and the holding plate. Then you'll be able to slide the pads out. You will have a 17mm nut here and here. And you can take off the caliper depending on how stuck this is, your rotor, onto the hub, depending on if it heated up too much and got the metal to metal friction. You may have to use a screw to get that off of there. It screws in and it'll push the rotor out towards you. Put a new rotor on. We'll clean the hub up, put a new rotor on, clean that down with brake clean, put your caliper back on, slide your pads back in, hold your plate in place and put the pin back in, and then we'll bleed the brakes. Press that in, and this comes right off. Yeah. And you see how loose the rotor is, so we don't have to use the screws here. this up a little bit. Clean. Love you too, baby. Thank you. We already wiped this down once. Use your lug nuts to hold it in place. Good to go. Brush your bolts off. They don't look too bad. Make sure you press your pistons back in. Open your reservoir. So how I took it off is my numbers were on the bottom side, so we're gonna hold this in here, and you might want to apply some pressure, but you want your slide to slide straight through. Press that down and bam, we're in. And you just rotate it and put your cotter pin back in. So you just need to be able to see. Cotter pin back in. I'm gonna rotate that thing backwards. Press on the brakes and we're good to go. Then we'll bleed the brakes. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it.